This is a message to all those who grew up perhaps without a father, without a mother. Perhaps they grew up as foster children, felt abandoned in their life, felt that everyone let them down. There is a passage in Tanakh, in the Hebrew Scriptures, that I hope that you'll take a look at and consider. In Yeshayahu, in Isaiah chapter 49, verses 14 through 16, God, Elohim, has a message for you. He says there, I will paraphrase, he says, Zion says, now I want you to place your name in place of Zion. Whatever your name is, put your name there in those verses. That's Isaiah 49, verses 14 through 16. Instead of reading Zion, say your name in its place. Zion says, Yehovah, God, has forsaken me or forgotten me. And Elohim says, can a mother forget the baby at her breast, the baby that she takes care of, nurses? The closeness of a baby and the mother, the image that comes to mind, is so powerful. It says there that that mother, she may forget her baby. We know that parents sometimes abandon their children. Fathers abandon their children. Mothers abandon their children. There are abortions. Many things that can happen. But Elohim ends by saying, God says at the end of this passage, he says, though she may forget, or they may forget, I will never forget you. Behold, I have written your name on the palms of my hands, and your walls are forever before me. I hope you'll take a look at these passages and remember that Elohim, God, loves you. When all and everyone else has failed you, God will never forget you. Isaiah 49, verses 14 through 16. Shalom to all of you.